Welcome to the Fish Fix Kitchen. Today I am so excited because we are getting Cajun with it. We are going to make some black drum that hails from Cameron Parish, Louisiana, just down the road from where I grew up, and we are gonna make some maque choux. You're gonna love it. It's super simple, so let's get started. So I'm from South Louisiana, and this is one of those dishes that I loved growing up. So this is a sweet corn that's married with like peppers and onions and some spices. You cook it on a high heat and get a nice char, and it's just a wonderful addition to any dish, especially seafood. Cut about a half of a purple onion. All right, I got my jalapeno, corn, and tomatoes. We've got my cast iron pan, it has a high heat, and I'm gonna toss all these veggies in and start to get a nice char on them. And then you want a whole cup of corn. And so while I let these things do their magic, I'm gonna get my fish ready. So this is black drum. It is delicious. It is a flaky white fish. It eats very similar to a snapper or a redfish. It's super mild. It's really versatile. We can do anything with it. Today we're going to coat it in a blackening season. So this blackening seasoning is one of my favorites. I use it on everything. It has all these great flavors. You've got cumin and garlic powder and salt and pepper and paprika and chili powder and a little bit of brown sugar, which helps the caramelization of the protein whenever you're cooking it. So the maque choux is cooking. It's getting a little bit of color. As it cooks, we're gonna do our fish in the same pan because I don't like to do dishes. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil with a tiny bit of butter. I was so excited to get black drum on the Fish Fix product lineup. I love it. I grew up catching it and eating it with my family, so we're super excited to bring this protein to the market nationwide. All right. Okay, so I just flipped my fish. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes. You can see I've got my heat up really high, so I'm gonna turn it down just a bit. My corn's doing really well. I don't want it to get overcooked and start popping, so I'm gonna move it to the other side of the burner and leave the heat here right on the fish. So my fish is almost done. I'm gonna deglaze the pan with a little bit of white wine. This is a Sauvignon Blanc. It's crisp. It has all those citrus flavors, so it goes really well with a dish like this. And all I'm trying to do here is kind of release a lot of that browning from the bottom of the pan because I'm gonna remove my fish here in a minute. I'm gonna char up the rest of my vegetables and get ready to serve. And I'm gonna add a little citrus because why not? It's delicious. It brightens everything up. So when you're cooking this, you don't have to do it all in one pan. You can do the maque choux in a separate pan, get that ready, and then you can concentrate on your fish. I like to do this because I don't like to do dishes. I kind of want to make a little bit of a sauce to go under here. It's about 2 tablespoons, okay? Add a little bit of white wine. Okay, the wine's gonna cook off a little bit, so I'm gonna let that cook off, the alcohol from the wine, and it's gonna leave a really rich flavor to that sauce. And there you have it, blackened drum over corn maque choux. For more recipes like this, head on over to Fish Fix Kitchen. We'll hook you up.